Okay, I'm hoping that the camera picks up all this. There's like these ducks in there. Now that I got better footage. Because I barely get to see ducks. But they're over here. I'm hoping the camera picks those up. And here he is, marked his territory. But there's looks like a whole duck family here. It's very cute and peaceful. Serene. Okay, I got video footage from the other side of the lake. It looks like a star coming out with these trees. It's like the coolest thing ever. I thought the other side was good, but this side's even better. It's very exciting. These turned out really, really good, but I did this because you don't drive very fast. And when I did it when the sunset was coming, you could see all the colors from the sunset.